When you're wrenching under the hood or tightening up suspension components, torque isn't just a number, it's a commitment. A commitment to safety, reliability, and doing the job right. Whether you're zipping up lug nuts or torquing down a cylinder head, applying the correct torque is one of the most overlooked yet critical aspects of automotive service. Let's dive into why torque matters and why following torque specs isn't optional for any technician who takes pride in their work. Torque is rotational force. It's measured in pound-feet or Newton meters, and it describes how tightly a fastener, like a bolt or nut, is clamped. But this isn't just about brute strength. It's about balance. Too much torque, and you risk stretching, stripping, or snapping fasteners. Too little, and components could rattle loose, leak, or fail entirely. OEM torque specifications are calculated based on fastener size, thread pitch, material, surface friction, and what's being clamped. Whether it's an aluminum oil pan, a steel connecting rod, or a composite intake manifold, the torque spec is engineered to ensure optimal sealing, structural integrity, and performance. Ignoring that spec isn't just cutting corners, it's compromising the entire system. For example, under-torquing lug nuts, you risk wheel separation at highway speeds. Over-torquing cylinder head bolts, you could warp the head, crush the gasket, or crack the casing. Today's cars aren't as forgiving as the old school iron blocks and steel bumpers. Lightweight materials, tighter tolerances, and computer-controlled systems mean everything from the timing cover to the torque converter is engineered with specific torque values in mind. A small mistake, say over-tightening a plastic thermostat housing, can cost hundreds of dollars and hours of rework. Even the humble oil drain plug has a torque spec. Stripping it because I've always just gone hand tight with a quarter turn won't fly when the threads are aluminum. Any technician serious about their work should have a quality torque wrench, probably a few, in different ranges, inch pounds, foot pounds, digital, or click style. Calibrate them regularly and use them religiously. And don't forget specialty torque tools like angle gauges or torque sticks when working with torque to yield bolts or fasteners with additional turning requirements beyond a static torque value. This is especially common in modern engines and suspension systems. Shops that make torque discipline a standard procedure see fewer comebacks, fewer broken parts, and a lot more confidence when the vehicle rolls off the lift. The next time you're tempted to go close enough, or I've done this 100 times, stop. Pull up the spec, grab the torque wrench, and do it right. It's not about following rules, it's about respecting the vehicle, the customer, and your reputation as a technician. In this business, precision matters because tight enough isn't a spec.